In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the transportation lock error on the Epson EcoTank L8100.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
In this video, we are going to fix this transportation lock error on the printer. But the interesting part is, the problem is not actually the lock. Let's find out what is really causing this issue and how to fix it. You need to clean the metal rail where the print head moves, using a cotton swab, and remove as much dirt as possible to ensure smooth movement. Make sure to clean both sides of the metal rail carefully with a cotton swab, so that all dirt is completely removed. Make sure to clean both sides of the metal rail carefully with a cotton swab, so that all dirt is completely removed. Take your time and clean it carefully to make sure it is fully cleaned. If this step is not done properly, the error may return after a few days or after several prints. After cleaning, apply a small amount of silicone oil to the rail to keep the movement smooth. Now plug the printer back in and check if the issue is resolved. In most cases, this method fixes the problem. Also, before turning it on, make sure to check the transportation lock once again. The printer may start a cleaning process. Just wait until the cleaning is fully completed. Now print a nozzle check to make sure the printer is working properly. So this is how you can fix the transportation lock error on this Epson printer. As you saw, the issue was not actually related to the lock itself, but to internal movement resistance affecting the print head. By carefully cleaning and servicing the internal rail, the printer returns to normal operation. This is a common issue that can happen over time, especially when dust and ink buildup affect the smooth movement of internal parts. With proper maintenance, you can avoid this error and keep your printer working reliably.